I've researched and tested some of the best air fryers in order to find the best one. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the best air fryer is for you in 2023. Like the Ninja Foodi, which is one of the best selling and most popular air fryers on the market. And by the way, this video isn't sponsored. Ninja or anyone else didn't pay me to make this video, and these are all my honest opinions. With a versatile design to prepare larger batches of food or multiple meals simultaneously and impressive performance, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi is just a great product and is my choice as the best dual basket air fryer in 2023. Although it's not perfect for everyone. Dual basket air fryers allow you to prepare larger batches of food, and the Ninja DZ201 is an effective option that comes with multiple built-in cooking modes, easy to clean components, and a wide temperature range. It has a larger build than many of the other models on this list and takes up a fair amount of countertop space, but it has a sleek and sturdy stainless steel exterior that should fit well with most other kitchen decors. In contrast to traditional models like the COSORI Pro 2 I'll mention later, it has a unique dual basket design that provides an outstanding 8-quart capacity to prepare larger quantities of food or multiple meals simultaneously, and it features non-stick and dishwasher safe components that are easy to clean. It comes with various useful cooking features and offers an air broil mode for finishing protein, an air fry mode to deliver a crispy texture, a roast setting that acts as a traditional oven, a reheat function, a dehydrate program, and a bake function. Even more, it has a match cook button that sets both baskets at the same temperature, and a smart finish mode that lets you cook 2 different meals and finish at the same time for greater efficiency. Overall, the cooking performance is excellent and it comes with a wide temperature range of 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, though the cooking times tend to be slower with larger batches and it can get somewhat loud while in use. Also, I mention air fryers for all budgets and purposes in this video, so if the Ninja Foodi isn't your favorite or you just don't want to spend money unnecessarily, I'll have you covered later in the video. The Ninja DZ201 Foodi is a unique air fryer that comes with a versatile design, a wide temperature range for various ingredients, and a powerful heating element to deliver satisfying textures and a thorough cook each time. If you want a large air fryer that can prepare different meals at the same time, this is the perfect choice for you. If you want to know the exact pricing on the Ninja Foodi or any other products I mentioned in this video, check the links in the description. If you're looking for the air fryer that offers the best combination of ease of use, cooking versatility, and overall frying performance, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart is my choice as the best overall air fryer in 2023. With its built-in window that lets you monitor your food, odor erasing technology, impressive capacity, and excellent performance in each mode, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart is an outstanding addition to any kitchen. It has a single basket style design that measures 17 by 14.5 by 13.8 inches and weighs around 16 pounds for easy storage as needed. In contrast to more traditional models like the Ninja AF101 air fryer I'll mention shortly, it has a unique built-in clear cook window that allows you to monitor your food without needing to remove the basket. The internal basket has a solid 6-quart capacity that's ideal for busier households or moderate-sized families. Or you can opt for a larger 8-quart capacity if you need additional space. It also features non-stick and dishwasher-safe components to easily remove built-up grease or crumbs after cooking. You get 6 built-in cooking functions, which includes an air fry mode to deliver crispier results, a roast function for meats or vegetables, a broil mode, a bake setting, and a dehydrate mode. The digital interface is easy to use and provides one-touch smart cooking programs, a dial for the temperature, a status bar to accurately monitor your food, and a button to illuminate the basket. It utilizes Even Crisp technology to deliver a more consistent flow of air throughout the basket and even more results while using less oil or grease than other traditional frying methods. And it offers odor erase technology to help eliminate pungent food odors, though you'll have to periodically replace the filters to maintain performance. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart is a high-quality air fryer that comes with a unique design, user-friendly controls, and sophisticated technology to optimize performance and ensure consistent airflow throughout the chamber. This is an excellent option if you want a feature-rich and easy-to-use air fryer that can consistently produce great-tasting food. Some people might want a quality air fryer that's easy to use, has a solid internal capacity, and consistently delivers impressive performance for the price. The Ninja AF101 air fryer satisfies all these needs, and it's my choice as the best air fryer for the money in 2023. Ninja has a few impressive offerings to choose from, and their AF101 air fryer is a cost-effective alternative that comes with a compact build, intuitive controls, and an effective heating element to deliver a thorough cook. It has a compact design that only measures around 13.5 by 11 by 13 inches and only weighs around 11 pounds, so it's easy to store and a good choice for smaller kitchens or dorms. It features an ergonomic handle to safely remove the basket or shake your food as needed, along with non-stick and dishwasher-safe components for easy cleaning after each use. Despite its compact size, the basket offers a 4-quart internal capacity that can hold up to 2 pounds of french fries at a time. You also get an intuitive interface to select a cooking mode, start or pause the cycle, and control the timer temperature. It's not as versatile as other options such as the Instant Vortex Plus, but you get a temperature range of 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and an air fry function, a roast mode, a reheat function, and a dehydrate mode to handle various meals. On the inside, it has an effective 1500 watt heating element that can consistently deliver a thorough, even cook in just a few moments. Unfortunately, it gets somewhat hot to the touch, but it has a convenient auto shut-off function that's enabled after 15 minutes of inactivity for added safety and energy efficiency. The Ninja AF101 doesn't come with as many built-in functions as more expensive models, but it does a lot of things well and performs well with each of the cooking modes to deliver impressive results for the price. If you want an air fryer that can quickly produce healthier fried foods and plenty of bang for your buck, this is the perfect choice for you. Next up, I have a quality air fryer that comes in a compact form factor and features a powerful heating element to deliver crisp results with large batches for a good price. The COSORI Pro 2 air fryer is a great option for most people to consider. With its several built-in cooking functions to tackle various culinary tasks, high-precision sensor to maintain an even temperature, and impressive frying performance, the COSORI Pro 2 air fryer is a great alternative to traditional frying methods. It has a reasonably compact frame that measures around 12 by 14 by 12 inches and weighs around 12 pounds, so it won't take up much countertop space while in use. It has a 5.8 quart internal capacity, which makes it an ideal option for larger families or social gatherings, and it has a squarish basket designed to maximize the cooking surface and fit additional food. In addition, it remains reasonably cool to the touch in operation, won't function unless the basket is inserted properly, and comes with an auto shut-off function for additional safety and energy efficiency. You get a user-friendly control panel that allows you to adjust the cooking time or temperature, and it comes with 12 built-in one-touch functions, including an air fry mode, a reheat function, a defrost setting, a toast mode, a bake setting, a keep warm setting, modes to cook various meats or vegetables, and more. The Thermo IQ technology delivers precise, consistent results, and it has a high-precision NTC sensor that helps reduce temperature fluctuations for greater control. It doesn't have a built-in window like the Instant Vortex Plus, but it has a shake function that audibly reminds you to flip food. The COSORI Pro 2 air fryer is a surprisingly powerful model that's easy to use and can quickly deliver a crisp texture without requiring excessive amounts of oil, and it provides faster cooking times than the previous model. This is an excellent choice if you want a cost-effective way to quickly cook large batches of food and prepare several meals or snacks. Finally, I have a premium air fryer that offers a comprehensive number of cooking functions and crispy, healthy, and satisfying results with various ingredients. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is one of the most expensive options available, but you pay for performance. And it offers consistent quality results and several built-in functions to replace your other kitchen appliances. It has a large, rectangular frame that measures around 21.5 by 16 by 13 inches and weighs around 40 pounds, so it's not ideal for smaller kitchens, but it has a premium stainless steel exterior that's built to last. It comes with a drop-down door and a towel bar handle to access the inside, and the internal chamber provides a spacious 1 cubic foot capacity, which is much more than cheaper models like the Instant Vortex Plus, and ideal for larger families or gatherings. In addition, it has a sophisticated LCD display to access the built-in smart features, enable cooking functions, program the oven, and more, though it lacks dishwasher-safe or non-stick removable parts for easy cleaning. Unfortunately, it's the most expensive option on this list, but it comes with 13 built-in cooking functions to handle most culinary tasks, which includes models to toast bread or bagels, bake, roast, warm, prepare pizza, proof, air fry, reheat leftovers, bake cookies, slow cook, or dehydrate for snacks like jerky or chips. It utilizes an Element IQ system that can go up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit and smart algorithms to ensure even heat distribution for quicker and more consistent results. And it automatically goes into a preheat mode, though the exterior tends to get hot while in use. Is the Breville Smart Oven Pro going to be perfect for everyone? Not quite, as it's likely overkill and too expensive for anyone who just wants a basic fryer. But it comes with several advanced features, high quality components, and outstanding all around performance. If you want a premium appliance that can cook a comprehensive range of meals with excellent results, this is the perfect choice for you. If you like the video, give it a like, and links to the most updated pricing on all products are in the description below. You never know when these might go on sale, so you can check those out.